Alright, what's up guys? So right now we're in a long position. It is 9:55. We have news at 10. Right now I'm just looking, are we gonna respect? So we already respected this bullish fair value gap. That's why I moved my stop loss over there. Now I could move it over there, but it really doesn't matter. Right now I just want to see speed and efficiency. And if we close above this zone, it's gonna be perfect. Then we have this hourly fair value gap. It starts right there, so yeah, we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. This shit just messed up my whole video, bro. What the fuck? Like, how am I supposed to? Alright, whatever. Alright. Obviously, guys, I could have just waited 2 more minutes for probably for TP, but like I said, recently I just not been scared, but just, when it's close to TP and at 9:56 we just close like that, I really don't care, you know? Either hit it or just don't hit it. But beautiful, beautiful trade today. Beautiful month so far. So here, let me just get a video. Alright, I was actually pissed off for a second. I guess not. Yeah, I'm happy. I'm very happy. Alright, bet. And see, guys, that's exactly what I'm saying. I just want the peace of mind. Look, what are we doing? Up, down, up, down. I mean, honestly, yes, I could have placed my stop loss right there, but those were protected lows, so I was pretty confident with my stop loss placement. But yeah, right there, I would have gotten my 1 to 2, so that's why for two extra $100, I didn't want to risk it. So, see, what is this? It happened with me once. My connection were all on and everything. I come to take a trade. Your connection has been disturbed. For what? Sorry, right now I'm ranting, guys, but I just want to show you guys something. It's taking forever. Guess meanwhile, I'll do the recap. Okay. Beautiful. Beautiful. See? I would have, if I didn't close, just for 200 more profit, even though technically my stop loss could have been right there. There's no need to risk it. What can I see on the higher time frame? We have this 15-minute buy side right there, but here we start this hourly gap, right? This hourly bearish. So let's remove this line. Right now, what can I see? We have this buy side right there and this hourly. We tapped into hourly, and then what? We are starting to retrace. I don't want to see retracement, right? That's why I closed. This buy side, what happened? At 9:53, we went to it. We swept it, but we didn't decide yet which direction we're gonna go. But we created a bullish fair value gap. So what's gonna happen? Either we're gonna respect this bullish or disrespect this bullish. We ended up respecting bullish, so technically I can move my stop loss all the way to 9:52, right? And just wait. Another thing, guys, I told you guys we had news at 10. At 10 we started dropping, so we always have to be careful. Let's go check. 10 right there. Gonna go here. Everything is just down, whatever. Finally. Okay, here, let me just finish the recap. Market open, bang, 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 bang. We swept London lows, but we are still in the range, right? Now, we did displace higher at 944, right? But I didn't feel confident to just take an inverse right away, because usually I don't even take inverses. That's to start it with. But now, let's say I took the inverse. Technically, where's the actual good stop loss? Is right there, to this low, right? It would have worked out, but I needed more confirmation. Because easily, just think about it. Price could come and take the previous day low. So I waited. Price did what it has to do, and then we went back up again. So from there, I'm like, okay, we created those equal lows along with these equal lows, right? So now it actually makes sense to take an entry. So as you guys seen, well, I recorded live. I entered right about there, 200 for 400 ticks, exactly. And I ended up closing at the hourly start of the bearish fair value gap. Now, what did I do? If we check 948, let me go and replay. So 948, no, not only we closed above, it is aligned with my context to go to look for a long. Right there, if we keep on pushing, we're gonna create a fair value gap, right? But even before I create the fair value gap, so before even the next candle creates a fair value gap, I was just waiting for a retracement. So it's like a pre-fair value gap. Bang, bang, and then close here. Yeah, that was the recap. What can we see happen at 10? We ended up retracing into this gap. So, like I said, if I was still in the trade, my stop loss would have been there. I would have been still safe, but it doesn't matter. The trade doesn't matter. Man, what is happening, bro? Now imagine if I had this shit when I was trading. And I'm trying to close my trades. Alright, bro, just get out. Here, I'll delete them and refresh them later. Perfect. Okay. So we made 800 multiplied by 5 minus 10%, 3.6, and 800 multiplied by 5 minus 20%. Plus 3.6. Wait, I think this is the same thing I made yesterday. 6.8. It should be 9.2 if I remember. Yeah, I just made 9.3. Yesterday I made 9.2. Yeah, because I closed at 800 again. Okay, I actually forgot. Today I made 9.3, 9.2, doesn't matter. Straight in payout, straight in bank account. I don't have to wait 5 days. I don't have to do all this right away, right? So beautiful. As of right now, I'm looking at, for this week only, plus 3.8, plus 7 for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and we still have Friday. I've been on a green streak, man. I'm up around 30k for this week only in payout. Well, alright guys, thank you guys for watching. I have no word, right? Just keep pushing, stay locked in. If you guys check my older videos, always just over risking, over trading. What did I do right now? I've been locked in, trading, actually following my rules. And to be honest, February is just moving cleanly too, right? And just, I have no words. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. See you guys tomorrow.